Okay, we are online. Hello, everyone. It's Teacher Friend for your English lesson. So today we have a lesson about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so the lesson is about pronunciation, reading, and some vocabulary to learn. Okay, so we will start first with a little warm up. Okay, a little warm up, some revisions. Okay, so some revisions. So on the first page here, so you have a rectangle. Okay, it's called a name tag. Okay, a name tag. So we have Peter Woods, 11 years old, grade 5, and with his address. Okay, so first I want you to read the main text here. Okay, so I will read it a bit fast. Okay, and you will repeat just after me. Okay, so I have a friend. His name is Peter Woods. Here is his identification card, ID. What is his name? His name is Peter Woods. How old is he? He is 11 years old. What is the name of his school? The name of his school is International Primary School. What is his address? His address is 112/3 Sukhumvit Road, Ket Suan Leong, Bangkok 10250. Okay, so you repeat that, and just after that, I want you to make your own name tag, okay, with your own name, your age, your grade, and your address. Okay, you remember we made that maybe the second or the third week when we start school together. Okay, so it's just a warm up. Okay, so maybe in 5 minutes you can make that. Okay, just 5 minutes you make your name tag. Okay, and just after that we can go on the next page. Okay, so here, this is pronunciation time. Okay, so you will listen the following words. I will speak about these words. Okay, so I will tell you these words. Okay, with a good pronunciation. Okay, so slowly, and just after that you try to repeat. Okay, so consonants: theme, birthday, Thursday, thank, 30, 3, thick, thief, thumb, than, the, this, that, there, them, then, there, they. Okay, so every time it's the. Okay, Mesha is the, beni. Okay, so you try to repeat that, and you try to learn that. Okay, because it's some kind of vocabulary. Okay, so we can go now with the vowels. Okay, so the vowels, listen carefully and repeat after me. Okay, so straight, age, grade, may, save, wave, face, great, paint, curly, birthday, circle, girl, 30, earth, early, purple, surname. Okay, you listen well because every time you have the same sound but a different word. Okay, so you try to repeat that one time, two times. Okay, to master. Okay, to master and learn correctly about the pronunciation. Okay, so let's go on the next page now. You have some words here. Okay, so grape, age, Girl circle. Okay, so you hear every time it's the same. Grape edge, girl circle, girl circle. Okay, every time. Okay, so we will speak about the weather. That's the last lesson about the weather. Next week, we will go on the next unit. So this is the last lesson about weather. So listen carefully, okay, and repeat after me, and I will give you some new vocabulary too. Okay, so what do you have in front of us? We have a circle, a circle. Okay, so in this circle, we have the three seasons in Thailand. Okay, we have the three seasons in Thailand. So there is the hot season, there is the rainy season, and there is the cold season. Okay, so three seasons in Thailand. Okay, so the hot season is between, you remember, between March and June. The rainy season is between July and October, and the cold season is between November and February. Okay, so try to make those kind of sentences with the new word between. Between. Okay, so I will read the following text here. So you listen carefully and you repeat after me. Okay, so seasons in Thailand. Thailand is a hot country. There are three seasons. They are the hot season, the rainy season, and the cold season. The hot season is in March, April, May, and June. The rainy season is in July, August, September, and October. The cold season is in November, December, January, and February. It's very hot and dry in the hot season. It's cloudy and wet in the rainy season. Is it wet in the cold season? No, it's cool, dry, and windy in the cold season. Okay, so you read this text two times. Okay, so two times, and after you have three questions. Okay, so what about the first question? How many seasons are there in Thailand? How many? Do you remember how many seasons? There are three seasons in Thailand. This is the sentence to make. There are three seasons in Thailand. Okay? So you try to write it, okay? So don't forget to take a piece of paper every time, okay? Question number two. What month are in the rainy season? What months are in the rainy season? Do you have the answer? So you picked up in the text, okay? So I do it with you in live, okay? So in the rainy season, so I check with you, I check. So first it's hot. Okay. Da, 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 da. Okay, rainy season. What months? So we have one, two, three, 4 months. So what months? That's July, August, September, and October. Okay, so you can check in the text or you can check in the cycle, the weather cycle, the season cycle. Okay, and the last question, number three, is October in the cold season? Is October in the cold season? So I check the cold season in the season cycle. cold season? Sorry, October. No, we don't have, because October is on the rainy season. So, question number three, is October in the cold season? No, it isn't. No, it isn't. Okay? So we can go on the next page now. Okay, so now you have some pictures, okay, some pictures, and you will have a difference between, remember between, so you will have a difference between the seasons in Thailand and the seasons in Europe and America. Okay, so you have in Thailand three seasons. I repeat, the hot season, the rainy season, and the cold season. But in Europe and America, you have four seasons, like winter. So winter, it's like the cold season, but it's not the Thailand cold season, because in my country, actually near Paris, okay, you remember I'm from France. So actually in Paris, it's about -1, -2 degrees, okay, so -1, -2. Actually, in Thailand, the weather, the temperature, you remember the temperature is between 18 degrees and 25 degrees, and it's cold, isn't it? It's cold, yes. Even me, I'm cold on morning and I'm cold on evening, because I live in Thailand since 1 year. So now for me, it's cold. So in Europe and America, it's about minus. Sometimes in America, in some areas, you have -15, minus 20 degrees. Can you imagine that? Okay, so that's about winter season. After, you have the spring season, the spring between March and May. Okay, so during this season, you have the leaves growing on the branches of the trees. Okay, and it's very beautiful, because you start to have flowers everywhere. So it's really beautiful. After that, then you have the summer season between June and August. So that's the hot season. Sometimes in some areas, the temperature is hotter than in Thailand, really, more than 40 degrees. Sometimes in America, you have. Even in my country, sometimes we have more than 40 degrees. Yes. So it's very, very hot and dry. And after that, you have the autumn, autumn season. Autumn season, that's the season when the leaves start to fall on the floor. Okay, and the leaves start to change color. You have some kind of orange and red colors. It's really beautiful too. Okay, so try to learn this new vocabulary about winter, spring, summer, autumn, and the months. Okay? So we will go on the last page, and the last page is about pronunciation. Okay? So here we have some following words, okay? And I will start to speak and try to do my best as a good pronunciation. So listen carefully, and just after that, you repeat after me. Okay, are you ready? So let's go. Consonants, initial sounds: June, July, jeans, jacket, jump. You hear every time j j j. Okay, June, July, jeans. Next, fly, flip flops, flower, floor, rain, raincoat, rainy, room, ring, shirt, shirt, short, shoes, show. Okay, so now about the final sounds. First, last, fast, nest, best, fourth, fifth, 11th, with, shoes, jeans, gloves, mangoes, buses, glasses, matches, washes. Okay, so you try to speak every time, two, three times, okay, to repeat, and like this, it will start to be natural when you speak or when you read, okay? It's very important to try every time to read, even if it's difficult, okay? And in the last rectangle, you have vowels, okay? Vowels, so here, near, short, born, hot, October, socks. Okay, so you try to repeat that, and obviously you try to learn this kind of new words. Okay, so it's finished. Yes, we have here three words like June, July, jeans. Okay, every time j j j. Okay, June, July, jeans. Okay, so the lesson is finished. Okay, so I hope everything is clear for you. So don't forget to take some paper to write some sentences and write something on the paper, some new words, and try to learn it. Okay. Tong riandi. Okay. So teacher friend, try to speak Thai a bit. You know that. Okay. I continue to learn. Okay. So I hope you continue to learn English language too. Okay. So take care, learn well, and see you on the next week. Bye bye.